You're so stupid. This is what I deal with. I deal with this for you guys, so I can make the content.
I'm coming! I'm like Michael Phelpsing this right now. Finna.
Okay. What are you trying to do? You trying to be behind me? Jesus Christ. Hello. Oh, we're literally children. What's going on, everybody? So obvious. I didn't know where you were going.
You were gonna keep going.
I was sitting here looking at the lens, and then I look up, and all I look back is. Guys, what's going on? Welcome to a stupid update video that I don't like making, but. It is Tuesday. A lot of you guys, expect Wreck Bike Rebuild on Tuesday. If you don't know what Wreck Bike Rebuild is, link in the description. I'm giving a bike away. Anyway, so if you guys are on my social media, C2W Pics, Twitter, C2W Tweets, whatever, those things. If you're on those things, you probably know. My buddy here, YummiR6, is in town.
Saw, dude.
Saw. And my phone's ringing. I'm not going to answer that person. For a lot of you guys, we make the series on our channels called the Adventure Series. Yummy has driven 8 hours for us to ride around for 4 days?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's driven 8 hours and gonna stay with me for 4 days so we can make another whole round of Adventure Series videos. A lot of you guys have been asking non-stop. And I assume you as well, have gotten questions about Adventure Series stuff. So we are in the middle of filming that. As far as Wreck Bike Rebuild goes, that's the whole reason I'm making this video, to let you guys know. We did film Wreck Bike Rebuild on Sunday. For you guys that are at the top level on Patreon, you already watched the build stream. But for you other guys, you might not have known, we actually filmed it. That video is actually going to come out on Friday. Yummy's going to stay here until early Thursday morning. Thursday, I will be able to edit Wreck Bike Rebuild and then put it out on Friday. So there is going to be a Wreck Bike Rebuild this Friday, and then there will be another one on Tuesday. Normal time, all that kind of normal stuff, because Yummy will be out of here by Wednesday or Thursday, whatever. So, long story short, this is a video so you know why a lot of content ain't coming out right now, but we making. We making a lot of content.
We're making it for the future.
And like, let's just say you guys have to be angled like this, because you can't see what's like.
There's two amazing things sitting here that you're not going to know until next week.
Let's see if I get close enough, if they can see my eye, if they can see the reflection.
Probably.
Nobody wants to see my face this close, but that's okay.
No, yep, it's not working.
Can they see it?
Nope.
Anyway.
That's like next week, isn't it?
Finna.
You said finna?
Yeah. I'll see you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the stupid update video. And look forward to more Adventure Series next week. Wreck Bike Rebuild on normal schedule next week. This week is a content making week. We appreciate the support. If you don't know who YummiR6 is, has a phenomenal YouTube channel for motovlog. You don't motovlog anymore, do you?
I motovlog like once a month.
Yeah, he used to motovlog, but we evolve as creatures.
And when we evolve, sometimes we go down.
Yummy makes cool content. If you want to check him out, link will be in the description as normal.
Moment!
Not gonna be the first time.
In the video.
Definitely not gonna be the last time. No.
That was good. That was deep.
Oh, we're done now?
Here we go.
See you guys on Friday.
And I'll see you guys in a dual vlog.
That. Alright, I gotta go edit this video and now put it up.
I gotta go edit one too.
Okay.
Done.
Oh, wait, outro crew. What up, fam? Oh, outro crew, if you guys want me to make Yummy do the live stream with us on Tuesday for Wreck Bike Rebuild, let me know in the comments. Yummy, are you free on Tuesday night?
What?
Are you free Tuesday night to do the Wreck Bike Rebuild live?
No, I have a scheduled Tuesday night actually. I'm in Atlanta and
Okay, we're gonna see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.